Dang, Laura, tell us how you really feel.
What she did?
Damion and Quanda are the worst.
Okay.
I've never met like crazier, weirder people.
Welcome to Skagway, Alaska, where adventure meets stunning scenery right from the start.
We just arrived in this charming little town, tucked away between dramatic mountains and the icy blue waters of the Inside Passage.
From the port, it's just a short, easy walk to the complimentary shuttle pickup.
A quick ride later, and here we are, at one of the most iconic train rides in North America.
We met up with our friends, excited and ready to hop aboard the White Pass and Yukon Route scenic railway.
And once we're on, it is time to sit back, relax, and soak up all the views.
Over the next 2.5 hours, we glide past towering peaks, lush forests, deep valleys, and breathtaking views that feel like a movie. Come on, we're giving us our room. Giving us our room. Take the room. Got your favorite couple right here.
We here. We on the train. I don't know where we're going, but we on the train.
At my cruising family on this side.
Damion and Quanda.
We got celebrities on here.
Celebrities on celebrities.
Celebrities on celebrities. And on this side, Phil and D. Travel Spree.
What's up with it? You all right?
We out here with it. We out. PJ.
You say hi?
Oh wow.
It's peaceful, it's majestic, and honestly, it's one of those rides where you just lose track of time.
So kick back, relax, and enjoy the views without the cold wind or the risk of dropping your phone off a cliff.
Gotcha. Our second excursion of the day was already about to begin.
This time, we were heading out with Ocean Raft Alaska, and let me tell you, it was action-packed from the jump. The ride from the ship, super quick, like not even 3 minutes and we were there.
We suited up in these full-body floating life suits. Yeah, they look kind of wild, but they kept us warm and safe, so they say.
So now that we look like Oompa Loompas, it's time to hop on the raft and hit the water.
What followed was pure thrill, speeding through Alaska's rugged coastline, soaking in the views, waterfalls pouring off the cliffs, spotting mountain goats way up high, seals lounging on the rocks, and even a few eagles soaring overhead.
It was the perfect mix of just natural fun and jaw-dropping scenery.
So to really like paint this picture, you gotta picture me giving birth to a 35-pound baby.
Love that image.
It's beautiful, isn't it? So they're only gonna stay with mom for 1 month. And once that 1 month is over, they're off in on their own.
Yeah, I saw her. They can go. They're all right.
Right where they're headed.
Exactly.
It's nice, Gary.
They just needed to get comfortable first. All right, come on down. Go on down. Yeah.
Guys, it's called Twin Falls. There's been a lot more twin lakes on a rock slide. Just look to the right-hand side of that
So we are currently at Skagway Fish Co. That is the name of the restaurant.
That blue boat over there says God of Life.
Yeah. Here is the restaurant. It's right next to the port. The first restaurant you're gonna see as soon as you come off of your ship. And let's see how fast the service is. It is after lunchtime. Before we left our excursion, the line was wrapped around the building. Right now it is 2:54, and there's no line, no wait. We've already sat down. We've already got our drinks. We've been sitting down for about 5 minutes so far. So let's see how fast the food comes. We haven't ordered the food yet. So let's see. Did he make it yet? I think he lost.
Do you want me to wait for him? Or you
No, I'm gonna order for him.
Okay, let's do it.
All right, so for him, he's gonna do the crab cake and the Alaskan king crab leg.
Cakes and the legs. What about for you?
I'll do the bowl for the crisp and the Lindsay's platter.
And what about for you guys?
Yeah, the grilled cheese and fries.
You got it.
Chicken tenders.
And a chicken tender? Yeah.
For some weird reason, it's like the kids meal tastes better than the...
The kids' meal tastes better than adult meal? I can see that.
Probably because we're kids. It's
There's a what?
There's a tiny dead bug on the windowsill, so I blew it.
So I can share. So sorry. That's why I got a bowl so I can share. So we have the bowl and we have the crab leg, the crab.
Cakes.
Nope. Okay. So you want some soup? Mmm. That's yummy.
Binoculars are really
This is real. This is a bunch of crab in this crab cake.
How dare they?
Under your fingernails. Let's see, taste test. Hot.
This is good.
Thank you.
So it's like this. So it's cooking.
Because of the spice.
What'd I say?
Because it's tight.
Crack it then.
You can't crack because it's soft. Good. Soft.
An hour, I'll let it go.
Our point of this is for us to get up and dance, enjoy, and celebrate, right? Life is meant to be lived, honey. Life is meant to be celebrated.
You just like my sidekick, I just wanna ride, fulfill all your desire. Keep you in the front, never in the back, and never on the side. You're a real ass woman and I like it, I don't wanna fight. Look, you know I'm a rider, nothing left to hide, your other nigga tired. Talk about you like you never leave his side, but I don't really buy it. Me, I'm moving quiet, all the things you try, and let's just keep it private. Tell me, should I cut these other girls right out of my life, cause we never decided.
Hi, Laura. How you doing, Laura? How's your time?
I'm great. How are you?
Pretty good.
I'm Laura. This is my first trip of the day. Not my first trip.
And I'm Thane, and this is my first trip of the day.
Damion and Quanda are the worst.
Okay.
I've never met like crazier, weirder people. They kind of scare me a little bit.
Wow.
You say that like it's easy. You never believe me. Told ya I got seats for these other girls sleeping on them. Girl, I'm sleepy. Sometimes I'm so indecisive, but you're a real ass woman and I like it. I don't wanna fight it.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
My baby girl. Yes, no, hurt me so good, baby. Oh, I'm so wrapped up in your love. Let me go. Let me breathe. Stay out my
Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with the vibe. Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with the vibe. It's a vibe, they a dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a fly, they just wanna kumbaya, nah.
This world, confused how it go. All this, she only know what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Get it, they coming for sure.
Woke up today, look at your picture just to get me started. I call